How to use your phone's camera as a webcam for your PC. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use your phone's camera as a webcam for your PC. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to use your phone as a webcam for your PC, it is very simple to do so. This can be done on either Android, iPhone, Mac or Windows and using cross interface as well. So it could be Android and Mac or Windows and iPhone as well. All you have to do is go to your browser. If you're using Mac, search Camo Studio, C-A-M-O, Camo Studio for Mac. On Windows, of course, select Camo Studio for Windows and make sure you download the Camo Studio app. After you open the Camo Studio app and you allow all the necessary permission, this is the option you will see. Now on your phone also, you have to go and download the Camo Studio or the Camo Camera app from your Play Store or App Store and simply launch it. Now one thing that you can do is you can directly connect your USB cable, one to your Mac or your computer like your Windows and the other one directly to your phone. And when you do that, it might ask you for a couple of permissions, and once you allow the permissions, you'll be able to also load on the screen right there that you should be able to go ahead and then use it as a camera, as you can see. Otherwise, you can also choose to connect it wirelessly if that's what you want, right? So right here you can see this option that says pair a device. Click on pair a device and you'll have the QR code. Then on your mobile phone, after the QR code is displayed, you can see we've successfully went ahead and then scanned it. And now whatever I'll show you on my phone, you can see it is also displaying on my PC. So that way I can simply go ahead and then connect my phone as a webcam for my PC. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.